Okay, so on September 17th, 2023, I did not eat dinner. I just snacked on some peanut brittle and I had 2 servings, which is 150 calories and 4 grams of protein per. So I am ending my day like this. I put the peanut brittle in here as my dinner. That's my snack from earlier. The Cheetos, 2 servings. So breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. So I went over by 64 calories. I went beyond my protein. So that's not bad. It's just that I ate lunch so late in the day that I wasn't very hungry and I didn't want to eat another meal. So I just had some peanut brittle. So that's how we end September 17th, 2023.